Good day. Crypto Forex market is back here again. Just somewhat taking a bit of a break away from the crypto trading at the moment. However, it's not all the time that I watch or I need to watch if I know where it's going at the moment. But however, you could see you've probably been wondering what's going on since the Bitcoin crash. We've had XRP coming down as well, um, and literally going through the $1 area where you could see right now. So there's probably going to be a lot of people concerned, wondering what's going on. Am I going to hold it? Am I going to sell it? Am I going to buy it? What am I going to do? So I can understand people's concerns and everything around, what they're going to do, if they're going to hold, if they're going to buy. But the best thing to do, the thing is, like, if you let go of this market and you decide to sell it, then what's going to happen is that you're just going to lose money. If you just decide to just say, do you know what, this market is coming down, I'm going to lose. You're going to lose. So literally, the best thing to do in the markets like this, likewise, like in Bitcoin when it first started, those people that went into it first, they just held. Even though the market went up and down, they still held and they were winners. Like this market at the moment, you probably think, oh my gosh, this is most likely going to go through this $1 mark. But yeah, if it gets to, I would say, around this level, 49 cents, it's still valid. As long as it keeps above my red 200 EMA, above 50 cents, I would say it's still valid. But if we start seeing it get down below towards 30 cents, then we'll definitely be on a bearish direction. However, if we keep on this level here, where I could see it appears like to be a demand zone, this would be the best time to buy. So if you're not in it right now, most likely people might have bought from here when they saw the up rally. This is the better area to actually buy, around the $1 mark. I think I said that in previous videos, but yeah, this is the actual area that is best to buy. So in these markets, you're thinking, yeah, your big boys, the bigger companies, they know what they're doing. They know exactly when to get in. They know exactly when to get out. However, the best thing for us retail traders is literally to get in on the lows. So if you're going to buy this market, for example, you would have got in here, and then the next good area I would say is here. If you got into this market from here and it was coming down, the best area would be here. However, if this market went down from here, the best area would be here. And then second from that would be here. And then I would say around this level here. However, this market could easily come down here to 30 cents if it wants to. However, if it holds this level, around my 50 green EMA line, so anything that's above it is a buy. So if it hangs around this level here, as you can see a little spike here, and then it's here now at this level 64 cents, as long as it stays within between, I would say, 50 cents and 64 cents, this is a good buy area here. However, if we start dropping past this red 200 EMA line below 50 cents, then we're definitely going to most likely head down towards these levels here. I said in the past that we could reach to $20 or between $3 and $20 before coming back down, and then to $100. However, from what I'm seeing here, price action is not exactly the same as before. So maybe by the end of this year, it might finish up probably around the $14 mark. Maybe we'll get to here by the end of the year if we look at the cycle of price action. So if we get to around between, I would say, $3, $20, then that would be more realistic. However, it could get to $100 at some point, but I don't think it's going to be by the end of this year. So in this game, the best thing to do is hold it and just have one that you're going to hold and one that you're going to take your profits. So if we get up to $20, we come back down here, we start to wick around here, then I would say have something there that you could hold. And if it's until next year that you get to $100, then that could be next year. So yeah, so that's what I see in XRP at the moment. But yeah, definitely right now would be a good opportunity if you haven't got in it right now, is to buy around here and just hold it. Just hold it. A lot of people, his emotions is going to be affected in this market, as you could see what's happening since the Bitcoin crash. This has just come down a little bit more than expected. Let's see how much it's come down from this level. Yeah, so we're getting like, I was expecting at least around 62%, 64%, around that level, and then to come back up. But however, it hasn't done that. So it's actually gone down a bit past that. It's gone down around 73%. So to be honest, yeah, that we could see a lower move down, if anything. That could happen. If it kept above the 71%, then yeah, then I would say that's good. So if I measure again to this level here, yeah, that's, I would say it should have stopped around 64%. However, it went a bit lower and it went around 70 something percent, which is lower than I expected. So if we see price action closing above the $1 mark, then that's a good sign. However, we could see it coming downwards, then that's not a good sign. If it goes below 50 cents, then we could see a bearish change in direction, which is not good for XRP. So hopefully with price action, we could just wait and just see. Hopefully it will hold around this area here, and we'll see what happens. But yeah, I'm just going to jump straight on to Bitcoin, because I know a lot of you guys are in Bitcoin. So Bitcoin at the moment, as you know, the crash happened here. When it was around this area, there would have been a lot of retail traders, a lot of buyers buying around here. But the big institutional, banks, for example, would have been shorting from here. Because if you're going to see an uptrend, let me just lock that. If you see an uptrend happening here, at some point there's got to be a reversal. We could see this high was broken around this level, and there was usually, when a high is broken, usually we'll get a dip back down to this level to test the previous high. But that never happened. It kept on going up. So buyers probably thought, wow, this market's going to continue, let me jump in. So they probably jumped in around this level here, and then probably a lot of people probably lost a lot of money. They thought, forget this market's selling now, this market's going down, I'm going to take my money and run. And most likely people probably lost money because they were probably bought around this level, and then there would probably be a lot of drawdown. But I could literally see, if we don't hold this area here, my green 50 EMA, as you could see, the green EMA here line, if it breaks through this EMA line, then definitely we could see it starts dropping towards 10,000. I would say 12,000 around this area here. I would say, yeah, about 11,000 to test this trend line here before going back up. So if I'm to buy Bitcoin myself, I'm not going to buy it yet. I would wait, because if we get a percentage drop, then I'm expecting this percentage to drop at least to around this level here. Is about 8%. But the drop that we got at the moment is dropped, the percentage rate is dropped around 50% or so. But yeah, I could definitely see, if it doesn't hold this level, then we're going to have another drop. If it does hold this level, then we're going to see a rise. However, Bitcoin could drop all the way down here, as I've left my charts marked up from previous videos, you could see. But yeah, if we start seeing more red candles coming down, if you watch over the weeks, we see more red candles come down, 100% we're going to get a drop all the way down to here, to 11,000, before Bitcoin is ready to buy again. And this is what happens. We get market cycles like this, where this is a healthy market cycle, where the market is going up, and then it comes all the way down. It goes up and it comes down. So if I do the percentage on that, let's see how much it dropped from here. That's about 88% drop. Let's see the percentage on here, how much drop that was on Bitcoin. Yeah, that was around 80% drop as well. So let's see how much compared to this, how much it's dropped now. 56% drop. If we come down, that's going to be 80% drop. Yeah. So definitely, I would not be surprised. I would not be surprised if we got a drop of 81%. Yeah, just like that. Just as previous times, you could see that it literally dropped to 81%, and it will do it again. Yeah, easily. So if I just mark this out, it's lower right here. So that's the kind of drop that we could see easily happening. You could definitely see that happening here. So I get my fibs out. This is the measuring tool. If I mark it up like that, don't know why this fib is just moving a bit funny. But yeah, anyway, you could see in the percentages that are marked out, we're gonna get, this is the same drop as that. That's the same drop as that. Exactly the same. Same drop. It's the same thing. Yeah, it's the same drop. So this appears to be dropping in my view. That is definitely dropping. So on the weekly, we could get further drop coming all the way down to this level here, guaranteed. So just remember this in this video that I've marked it here. I'm looking for this area to be touched right here before going back up. And when it's ready to go back up, these will be great buys around this area. Yeah. So yeah, I wouldn't be surprised if XRP dropped along with Bitcoin as well, and then started to rally again. So if I go back to XRP, so you know what's happening in Bitcoin. Let's see the percentage of that drop. It's about 73. Where are we now? That's about 80%. Yeah. I wouldn't be surprised if it probably dropped a bit more before going up here. But yeah, so we just watch the market and we just see at the moment, yeah, things are a bit slow, but the best thing to do is just hold. That's the best thing. That's how you just become, if you want to become winners, then is hold. If you start just, just selling, you're just going to be losing your money. That's what I see. So the best thing to do is just hold if you're wondering what to do. All right. So I hope you've enjoyed this session here. The other coins, I could get into the other coins, but these are the top two that I'm looking at. If I look at Dogecoin, for example, Dogecoin is still high, too high for me. So I'm still seeing that we could get a drop all the way down here for Dogecoin. Definitely. I can see that drop happening here because look at this. Look, it's gone all the way up, and you expect that to continue going up? I don't think so. I believe that it's going to drop to this area here, right here, Dogecoin. Those are the best coins for me: Dogecoin, XRP, and Bitcoin, and Ethereum, which I don't think I've got up here at the moment. But yeah, those are the best coins for me at the moment. So yeah, those are the only ones that I would probably put my money on. All right. So I'm gonna love you and leave you, and I will see you on the next side. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I've just wanted to touch on mainly is XRP and Bitcoin. But XRP, Bitcoin, that's what I see. All right. Take care. I'll see you soon.